All right, let's see how few distractions occur this time while I try to record this. I live in a neighborhood. Things are going to happen, and I live underneath the approach for a airport as well. So this is kind of a follow-up on a previous video I had done where I had started up this vehicle with a 5.7 liter Hemi after it had been sitting cold in my garage for over the weekend. Just so that people who are trying to diagnose a sound on their vehicle or maybe assess a used vehicle purchase or something like that could hear what a normal healthy one is supposed to sound like when you start it up cold. That's sometimes useful. There are two different primary ticking noises these Hemis can make. One of them is not really a big deal. It's a manifold bolt that breaks and you can replace that. It's not free, but it's not a big deal. And the other one is when the lifters and camshafts start eating themselves, and that's kind of the one you don't want. That's the bad one. This vehicle, to my knowledge, has nothing mechanical wrong with it. It's got 38,000 miles on it currently. The weather outside is probably like 50 degrees Fahrenheit or something like that. And it just got back from going to the car wash because it was all covered in that stuff that snow and driving on the snowy roads will do to you. And so we'll go ahead and just fire it up with the engine warm. We'll do it with the hood shut, and then I'll open the hood. You can hear what it sounds like there. Hopefully you can hear the normal sound of the fuel injectors ticking. That's the one that's what they're doing. It's not a big deal. That's a normal sound of operation. And I'll also go ahead and rev it a couple times so you can hear what that sounds like, as well as put the camera inside of the cab of the truck so you can hear what it sounds like inside there. So hopefully you find this stuff helpful. If you're here for entertainment, probably not going to find it in this video. All right, and lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and record this part where I'm speaking in a pretty normal voice so that you can hear with the engine running approximately how loud, to expect it to be. That way, if you're listening, at different volume levels when you're playing this back, you can kind of get an idea or perspective on, the relative volume level. So again, hopefully this is helpful. If you're looking for entertainment content, I apologize for that. Just trying to help people out and justify my existence.